everybody, today I'm going to make Maru Bhajia. Maru Bhajia is famous in Nairobi, East Africa, which was where it was originated. So here I have rounds of potatoes, thinly sliced, and in there I'm going to put in the ginger, garlic and chili paste. Now I'm going to add some turmeric powder and some chili powder, and we are going to mix it in and you have to use your hands to mix all in. So now I'm going to add some salt and I'm going to put in some chickpea flour, not too much, just enough to coat the potatoes. This is a very different recipe than the regular bhajia. And now I'm going to put in some coriander leaves. Now I'm going to use my hand to mix it all in. You don't need to add any water. So this is how it should all look. And now I'm going to deep fry them and we will have the Maru Bhajia ready. So now the oil is ready and we are going to deep fry the bhajia. So the first batch is ready. They are nice and crispy and very thin, very tasty. So now you can see our Maru Bhajia are ready, and now it is served with the chutney that I showed you. So I'll show you how to serve, but they are nice and crispy, and this is exactly how you want. You don't want too many soft bhajias. They are supposed to be nice and crisp and tasty. So there you have it. You have the Maru Bhajia and the chutney, tomato chutney, which I showed you in my other blog, how to make that chutney. So this is Kenya Maru Bhajia, and hope you like it. I hope you will make it and write comments. I would love to hear from you. So crispy Maru Bhajia and chutney. See you in the next video. Until then, bye bye. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. See you soon. Bye.